Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to change screen resolution for the external monitor on Windows. Especially when you cannot change it with a Windows setting. The monitor I'm using here is a Dell P2213 and I'm using the VGA cable right now. First, I will show you how to change the screen resolution with the Windows 10. Right click and go to the display settings. As you can see here, although the screen resolution is 1920 and 1080, it cannot take the full screen as you can see here. So the solution I have here is to connect the monitor with a DVI-D cable. So I bought a DVI-D to the mini DP cable. I will connect this one to the monitor to see how it works. Okay, right now I'm connecting to the DVI-D cable to the monitor. As you can see here, you can take the full screen, although it still says 1920 and 1080, which is the same as before. There is very little technical reason. VGA cannot support higher resolution compared to the DVI-D. Hope you find this video very useful, and thank you for watching this video.